This video is for finding critical values for confidence intervals using StatDisk. What I've done is I've split up the three different distributions we work with: the normal distribution, the student t-distribution, and the chi-square distribution. In the two lines below each, I have what we use them for and the information that we need. And for each of these, from the textbook, I took two of the exercises for each. And in the purple, I took the information that is from those exercises that we need in order to find the critical value or critical values. In the green is what we're going to have to bring to StatDisk. In the blue is our critical values that we're looking for. Any other columns that we see here are just computations we're going to make along the way. So for the normal distribution, we simply need the confidence level to find the critical value. Once we have that confidence level, we're going to need to find alpha, which is the leftovers. So if it's 99%, the leftover is 1%, and we're going to have this in decimal form. And then because it's the middle 99% that we're taking, we've got that alpha split between the two tails, which is why we have to cut it in half here. And the critical value is defined as the area to the right, and since the normal distribution is set up to give us the area to the left, that's why we have to go ahead and take the complement here in order to find that. So at this point, I can go analysis, probability distribution, normal distribution. I can put in my area to the left there, hit evaluate, and the z value is our critical value here. And in terms of rounding, we round consistent with the table unless otherwise stated, and table A2 goes out 2 place values for the z-score, so that's why I took that out, 2 place values. Could you go out more? Sure. Wouldn't be the end of the world. No one would get hurt. No one would go to jail. But since the table rounds it to 2, I'm rounding it to 2. For exercise 8, they wanted the critical value associated with a 98% confidence interval. So our confidence level is 98%, which means alpha, the leftovers, is the 2% or 0.02. Cut that in half because we're splitting it between the two tails. But since that's the area to the right, we're going to want the area to the left, so we're taking the complement of that. So we're coming over here and putting in 0.99, and here our critical value is 2.33.